I think it's time to bring my power air fryer out once again. The one thing that interested me today is the blooming onion. Alrighty, let's cut off the top and peel the onion. Okay, since I'm struggling with peeling this onion, I thought I would slide a spoon. There, onion is peeled. Alright, now it says to turn it upside down and cut 4 all the way through. There. Okay, now he's floaty. So he's got to go in there in his cold water bath for 2 hours. So you will need 1/4 cup milk, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup panko, and 3/4 cup whole wheat flour. Now I didn't have either, so I'm using white flour. And I'm using breadcrumbs. So we'll see how that turns out. You will need 1½ teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Well, I didn't have the panko, and I didn't have the whole wheat flour, and I didn't have the ranch dressing that I thought I had. But we can always do substitutions in the kitchen. So, in lieu of the ranch dressing, I'm using mayonnaise with dried Italian seasoning. Right here, and I've whipped it into a bit of mayonnaise, and then I'm going to add, well, no I'm not, look at that, oh my, Mother Hubbard's cupboard is bare, chipotle chili pepper. Yep, you think I could scrape some out of there to get enough? Let's see. That might just be enough. Alright, I'm all set up for my blooming onion. And I've let the onion stay overnight inside the cold water. Now, the first thing I need to do is beat the eggs with 2 tablespoons of milk. Place onion on a tray or in a bowl. So we will get busy here and do the egg into the bowl, and with 2 tablespoons of milk. Well, what are we supposed to do with the rest of the milk? Is what I asked you. Okay, let's follow instructions. 1 and 2. Okay, there we go. So we need to mix the flour mixture together. I think I'll take out the onion from the water let it sort of drip off. Not the breadcrumbs of flour. Well, they're not saying what to add to what, so I'm putting the seasoning into the flour. Mix that up. Now it says sprinkle the onion generously with flour mixture. Make sure to get in between all petals. Turn onion upside down. Remove excess flour. Turn upside down, remove excess flour. Okay, now ladle the egg mixture into every crevice. Lift up onion and turn to make sure excess egg drips off. Oh, okay. Yeah, I could do that. Okay, the next step is to place the onion in the air fryer. Cover it with aluminum foil on the top only. Probably hold it together a little bit. Press the M button and scroll to chicken icon. Okay, it says press the M button to scroll to the chicken icon. Press the power button and adjust cooking time to 10 minutes at 360. So this is going to be my dipping sauce for my blooming onion. And let's see. Oh yes, that is very good. We have 1 minute to go of the 10 minutes. And the first 10 minutes are done. 10 more minutes if desired. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'd say it needs a bit more time. It's just a little mister of the oil. You unscrew this, you put whatever oil of your choice inside, and then you put the top back on. It's got a thing there. Top back on, and then press it up and down like that until the resistance is too hard for you to press down, and then it's ready to spray. Okay, let's check it after the 5 minutes. Look at that. Can I get it in the camera? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's golden. It's getting crispy. I think just maybe a little bit longer. There's 1 minute left. I would say that is done. Now, let's serve it up. So we have our dipping sauce. Add it into the basket with the blooming onion. And there you go. Power air fryer. Blooming onion. To me. Now, how are you supposed to eat this? Oh, very good. Put some sauce on there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm doing the happy dance. Give it a try. If you have a power air fryer at home, don't be afraid to try blooming onions. The blooming onion. Take two.